Today, I'm going to replace the server link. Let's start by removing the tires. Now, we have to remove the nut on the upper side of the server link on both sides. You must have to lose both sides, that way we can move the server up and down and place the impact wrench behind it. Now we just have to remove the lower nut on the server link and replace with a new one. Now we're just going to put only the lower nut to keep the bar loose. Then we do the same on the other side. If you think this video is helpful, push the like button and hit the subscribe below. Let me know in the comment if you prefer to lose both sides or you just do one side first and then the other side. If your server link has a grease filler port, go ahead and put some grease on it. On the upper nut, we are only going to screw a copper thread on one side. Then, we are going to the other side and finish the last nut on that side. Then, we come back to the other side and finish up the last nut. Thanks for watching.